Okay, so right now I have this blow jar that I intend to perform a repair on, and the issue with this blow jar is that right now it's off, but if I were to turn it on, when it's off and I turn it on, where that strange sound coming from the inside. So it is actually heating, it heats up, but it's just that strange sound that it's making. So what I intend to do in this video is to actually open up, get a closer look, and then see how I can somehow prevent the sound that it is making right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these two screws and then start to disassemble this blow jar. Okay, so I was able to remove the two screws. These are the two screws, and that I removed from here and here, and I'm now able to get inside the blow jar. Right, so the sound, as I said, is coming from this area, and while I was examining, I saw where, if you look closely, this blade, there's actually a break right there, right? So because of the break right there, as this begins to spin, what happens is that the blade starts to rub against the sides right here, and as you can see, there's evidence of that by that those scratch marks right there. So the break here is causing the blade to rub against the the surface here and creating that sound that we heard in the beginning. So well, there's two ways to fix this, either by changing the blade or by somehow securing the blade back to the hub of this fan blade. So I'm gonna actually try to glue this back in place and secure it. So I'll show you once I've completed the gluing process. Okay, so this is the blow jar. I was able to glue the blade in place. So what I'm going to do right now is to just turn on and see if we're still getting that annoying sound. Okay, so it seems as though we're not getting that sound anymore. So it would seem as though the repair has successfully prevented that annoying sound. So what I'm going to do right now is to just reassemble and attach the screws. Okay, so I've successfully reassembled the blow jar. Again, I'm just going to do a last test run. Okay, so as we just saw a while ago, the repair was successful because we're no longer hearing that annoying sound coming from the blow jar. So again, this was Junior Roberts with realjuniorroberts.com. If this video was in any way helpful, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, I welcome them in the comments. If you think someone might benefit from this, please consider sharing. And thank you for watching.